We're getting ready to begin what is going to be a very interesting part of your tour. A journey through the special effects stage presented by the Eastman Kodak Company. Not all special effects look that special when you see them up close. This is an exact replica of the clay miniature that was used in Universal's Flash Gordon serial. Believe it or not, it was fueled by ordinary 4th of July sparklers. Edison discovered that by turning a room on its side and tilting the camera level with the floor of the room, he could make someone appear to defy the law of gravity. With the help of a guest volunteer from the audience, Universal's special effects team shows you just how right Edison was. Stop motion involves miniature models with movable limbs. In his comedy extravaganza 1941, Steven Spielberg made extensive use of elaborate miniatures, like this amusement park. Now, let's create some of the magic from Universal's E.T., the extraterrestrial. This is matte, and the process is called chroma key. This is what the camera sees, and this is what the camera does with the image. By combining these elements with a background, we have Matt flying over the Hollywood Hills.
Officer Kerner, can you hear me? Yes.
The magic of modern-day movies and TV is in great part created by illusion. Let's take a look at how this is accomplished as we watch these two tour guests taking an active part in this live demonstration of Arthur Clarke's great story, 2010.
Get to the ship! Hurry! Something's going on out there! Oh my God! It's Jupiter. It's imploding on itself! Get to the ship! Hurry! We've got to get out of here!
This is Hal from 2001 and more recently 2010. Hal, would you please explain our process that we call motion control?
Motion control photography is a process in which we create the illusion of spaceships flying through the universe. In motion control, the model never moves. The camera does. As you can see, a computerized camera is now moving the length of the ship against a black background. By adding a field of stars, we now create the illusion of the ship flying through space.
This cute fella is Vector.
There we go. Now, like the man said, my name is Vector. And while we can do all kinds of things, the most important thing we do is to make drawings come to life in the movies, just like we did in the last Starfighter. Watch this, folks, and remember, there's not one model in what you're about to see.